In this lesson, we'll learn how to try on hairstyles from Salon Styler's library. Once the three views of the face are loaded and the face frames are set, it is very easy to model different hairstyles, as you will see. To open the hairstyle library, click on the hairstyle button at the top of the screen and the library window will appear. On the side of the library window, there is a scroll bar that allows you to scroll through the hairstyle library. To try a hairstyle, simply click the hairstyle image you want, and Salon Styler will fit the hairstyle to the face according to the face frames you set in the last lesson. To the left of the hairstyle window, you will see a column of your hairstyle from dark to light. These preview variations of your selected hairstyle will allow you to change the hairstyle on the model by clicking the variation of your choice. The preview variation on the bottom of the column is for setting custom colors, and we will explore it later. By right-clicking on each of the preview variations, another palette of variations will appear. By holding the cursor over the preview variation, its name will appear. We can select these variations by first clicking the one we want, and then after it appears on the main column, we can click it to change the color on the model. We can also change the color of the hairstyle by using the controls to the right of the library window. The top controller changes the brightness of the hairstyle. The middle controller changes the contrast of the hairstyle. And the bottom controller helps fine-tune the hairstyle's hues. Once you have the hairstyle on the model that you like, you can save it to the preview gallery by clicking this button. Many of the hairstyles have different views. For example, this one also has a side view. Click the image of the side view, and the Salon Styler will automatically rotate the head and fit the hairstyle. Again, we can save this view to the gallery by clicking the Add to Gallery button. We can create custom colors by using the special variation at the bottom of the column. If we click it with the right mouse button, we will get a custom color picker, which will allow us to turn the hairstyle to any color we want. If we click the bottom preview variation again, it will undo our custom color. Below the column of preview variations is an eyedropper icon that will give us the eyedropper tool. With the eyedropper tool, we can sample colors from the hairstyle to change the color of the bottom preview variation. Then we can click the bottom preview variation to change the colors on the model. So as we have learned, we can try different hairstyles by simply scrolling through the library and clicking the ones we like. We can move and change the size of the hairstyles, the controls in much the same way we did with the face frames. Putting the cursor inside the hairstyle to get the hand symbol, and clicking and dragging to move the hairstyle. We can change the hairstyle size by dragging the corners of the hairstyle frame. We can change the proportions of the hairstyle by dragging the sides of the hairstyle frame. And we can rotate the hairstyle by clicking outside the hairstyle frame and turning it to the angle we want. If we don't like the hairstyle, we can right-click in the working area and undo the change. Or we can delete the hairstyle by clicking the Delete button on the top toolbar and starting over. As well as the hairstyle library, Salon Styler has a library of eyeglasses, which works the same way as the hairstyle library. There is also a library of mustaches and beards. On all three libraries, you can select by category, such as everyday hairstyles, and you can select from the library by name. And for the eyeglass library, you can select by face type. Salon Styler also allows you to produce your own library of custom hairstyles that you create. You now know how to work with the library of hairstyles. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to work with your own creations in the Salon Styler gallery.